Did you know that the total value locked in DeFi staking has crossed over the $100 billion mark? That's more than the GDP of some countries. DeFi staking isn't just a financial revolution, it's a rocketing trend. With DeFi staking, you're not just holding digital assets, you're actively participating in a blockchain network's operations and earning a nifty passive income while doing so. Intriguing, isn't it? So how does staking in DeFi actually work? Let's dive in. Imagine staking like a high-tech savings account, but instead of your local bank, you're dealing with a global, decentralized network. Now, let's break it down. In the realm of DeFi or decentralized finance, staking refers to the act of locking up your digital tokens in a smart contract. This is a bit like depositing money in a bank, but with a twist. The tokens you stake are used to secure the network and process transactions. Consider it a form of civic duty in the digital world, ensuring the network runs smoothly and securely. But unlike jury duty, you actually get paid for this. Returns on staking can be quite attractive, often outpacing traditional savings accounts. Now, the way staking is implemented can differ across various DeFi platforms. Some use a model called proof of stake, where the more tokens you stake, the more likely you are to be chosen to validate transactions and earn rewards. Others use delegated proof of stake, where token holders vote for representatives to do the validating on their behalf. It's a bit like electing politicians, but these representatives actually do what they say they will. In both cases, stakers play a crucial role in network governance, helping to make key decisions about how the platform operates. So by staking your tokens, you're not only earning returns, but also helping to keep the network secure and efficient. Pretty cool, huh? Now, you might be thinking, what's in it for me? Well, plenty. Staking in DeFi is like planting a seed in fertile soil. It allows you to grow your assets organically, earning passive income while you sit back and enjoy the fruits of your investment. It's like having your very own money tree. Moreover, staking grants you a voice in network governance. It's a democratic process where each stakeholder has a say. Imagine being part of the decision-making process in a global financial system. Exciting, isn't it? And let's not forget the potential for high returns. Traditional savings accounts? They're so last century. With DeFi staking, you're looking at substantially higher yields. Of course, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are risks involved, but for those who understand the process, the rewards can be bountiful. So, are you ready to dive into the world of DeFi staking? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the exciting world of decentralized finance. Until next time, keep staking and keep earning.